Tavshim Vav.
The Rebbe came out to Mincha, Yud Gimmel Kislev, Tavshim Vogel, upstairs. And I'm standing in the hall, and I see the Olam was, I can't say it. Was like all the. And next to the Bima, this is the only guy I remember. Moskowitz from Kharkov. He's standing
originally from South America.
Yeah. He's standing by the Bima fighting with all his chayas. That's what I remember. Moskowitz from Kharkov.
Venezuela.
No, he didn't start. Everybody was singing. The Rebbe wasn't aided singing upstairs. But here, as the Rebbe went in, they went like that. Not like this. Did that not so? Not like this. The Rebbe went like this. But it was enough.
On the way in.
On the way into Mincha. Then the Rebbe closed the door. I didn't see anything.
The Rebbe himself closed the door?
Always.
The Rebbe himself will close the door?
Always the Rebbe closed the door by Mincha. No, door to Zal.
B'yadeh Akdesha, the Rebbe
Always the Rebbe closed the door himself. And the Rebbe opened the door himself also. Klamke, no? You think Klamke is the Rebbe's room? The Klamke is the door of the Zal.
Well, and in the when did Yossi Shamtev give you the hug?
No mucker.
When did Yossi Shamtev give you the hug?
About 12:30.
What was the story with the hug?
Around 12. I don't remember. I didn't look at the clock.